Hey, so in this video we are gonna be making our first project of HTML and CSS. And in this project we are gonna be cloning this Facebook homepage or landing page, whatever you call it. So let's get into it. First of all, let's open our VS Code and I'm gonna make a separate folder for this. Let's call it Facebook homepage clone. Okay, and let's just make index.html and create a styles folder. I just like to keep my things organized, keep my files organized. That's why styles.css. Cool. Now let's make the html:5 Facebook, what do they call, login or sign up, login or sign up. Cool. Now let's see, we have a header in which there is a Facebook and a login form. Then we have the body, which we can call it a section, and inside that we have two different sections. First one is just a tagline or something, and then we have the sign up form, and at last we have footer, and it has a couple of links. So let's start by searching for the fonts.google.com, and I don't know which font is this. Let's see, Facebook fonts. Okay. Segoi UI. Is that it? Let's try this only, if they are saying it. Okay, it is not available on Google Fonts, so let's just search for something similar. Okay, let's use Poppins. I don't think it's that similar, but okay. Okay, I'm just gonna go with it. Source Sans Pro. Okay, now I'm gonna select a regular one, a bold one. Actually, it's a semi-bold. The bold one. And do we need light? I don't think we do. It's the regular one. I guess the regular one we do. Yeah, it's fine. Let's just grab the link and paste it here. Let's link our style sheet also. Link, and let's inside the styles folder, style.css. Cool. Okay, and in the body, let's give this as the font family. Okay, we'll also make the margin 0, because and I wanna download this image so that we can use it later. Why should I download it? Okay, at the desktop only now. Yeah, basic home changes, styles, connection.png. Okay. Cool. Now let's see. We'll make our header. Okay. Now this will be our container for body, and here will be our footer. So now inside the, I'll mute it. That's really annoying, I know. Now inside header, I will make two divs. First will be for our logo, that is Facebook, this one, and second will be our form div. Okay, the first one I'll give ID of logo, and the second one I'll give ID of login form. Cool. Now we'll add Facebook here. Yeah. Okay, now let's open with the live server. Oh, okay. And we have it. Okay, let's give it inside the H1. Yeah, and Facebook. Okay, cool. Now let's see. We'll add a label input box, a link to to reset your password when you forget it, and a submit button. Cool. So let's add that now. We have form, action. For this we'll just say pound, and now we'll add a label. We'll add email and an input. Type will be email. Actually they use now phone also, so okay, email or phone. So we'll just say text here because we don't know if they'll put email or phone. Okay, now text. What else? Name equals email. Let's keep it email only. ID, let's keep email, and in label we'll give for email. It should match with this. Okay, do they have placeholders? No, they don't have any placeholders. So let's just copy this and keep it here, and password, copy this, copy here, and copy here. Now let's change this and capital P. I hope so. Yeah. Now for the link, since this link is in the same, what do you say? We can assume it in the same div, so we can add it in a same div. Okay, div Let's just put it inside the div, and let's add a link, pound here only, and forgotten account question mark. And at last we'll add the submit button. Input type submit, and value would be login. Let's see our form. Okay, we have it, but since this is in this different div, that's why we get a block level type style. I want to complete the HTML first, then move on to CS to style it. Okay, so we are done with the header, and let's move to this section. I don't know what ID should we give it. ID equals I guess, I don't know, let's leave it for now. Okay, let's give ID equals section only. I don't know. Okay, now let's see, we have two sections here. Section, I'll give this ID connection or tagline, and I'll add a h2 here. I'll add a h2 saying Facebook helps you connect and share with people in your life. Okay, and I'll add an image which will be connection.png, connecting people. Ha! Cool. Now what else? Now we have another section, and it will be called, it will be called sign up. Cool. Now we have okay, is that an h2? Let's make it h4. I hate this. I really hate this. Once in a while the suggestions are, actually helpful, but let's make it h3. Well, okay, that's fine. Let's make this h2. Create an account. And we'll add a paragraph. It's quick and easy. It's QUICK and EASY. Full stop. Now another form, and action will be pound because we are not redirecting this form to anywhere. And now the actual magic starts. Okay. Now we need 1, 2, 3, 4 input type text, and this one actually is select tag, which we haven't talked about really, so we'll talk about it. And here our radio button, here is some paragraph, and here is the sign up button, and at the last we have another, I don't know, create page, link, and a paragraph probably. So let's do that now. Label for first name, input type text, Okay, name will be first name and ID will be first name. Actually, let's group them in a single, div. We'll do that, after making the second one. Okay, let's just copy it, paste it. First name becomes surname, and actually they have placeholder, so cool. I will place that in a single div. Actually, we can use something called form group. Form group HTML. Let's see. No. Okay, we don't form group. No, okay. I guess we have. Oh, I guess it's in Bootstrap. Yeah, we haven't Bootstrap. Okay, never mind. We'll from this till this, Alt and up arrow key. Easy peasy. Now we'll add another div. Let's do that. Let's make consistency, and we have email or mobile number. Okay, so let's give it email only, since we are not really handling the data, so we can use whenever whichever we want. Input. Oh, wait a second. Okay, sign up. Okay, we'll give ID. Let's give ID to the form only. ID sign up form, and here actually we have given an ID. Okay, no issues. Now where were we? Okay, placeholder, mobile number. We cannot copy it, that's the problem. Mobile number or email address. Mobile number or email address. Let's put the slash at the last, and name equals email, and I don't know, what else? ID. Yeah, ID equals email. Again, ID should match with the for of label. Should. Again, a div, password, label, password, and password. Oh wait, we're not giving label to anyone, right? Any input before. Okay, we don't need to. Actually, there are placeholders, so actually we don't need label. Why are we giving label? We can directly give input. Let's see, password. Name would be password, and ID, we don't need ID, but let's just make consistency and remove the label tag from everywhere. Okay, just one more to go, and it's done. Okay, and at last we have this thing. Okay, now let's see. Make a div, select, name would be dob. Okay, we have a label for this. birthday. Birthday. Let's move this above and let's start giving options. Option value would be, actually we have to give 3 select. Okay, let me show you how select works. Okay, we have value, let's see, 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 5 4 3 2. Let me show you. Okay, we have this drop down 1 2 3. Now value will be consumed at the server. Okay, server will identify this as dob and select the value as 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we'll give this name date. id will be actually date only. So let's I don't know, let's omit this, let's remove this, or let's keep it and give date, and we'll do that. Now we need a select. Name would be month, I guess, month. id would be month, and we'll give options 12 months. Okay, and now another select, it will be year. id would be year, and we'll give options. Now this will actually take a while, so I'm just gonna pause, write some date and come back. Oh, if you're following along, you can, okay, let's just do it. Okay, we won't use a lot of details here because we don't actually attach the server to it, but 8 9 10 11, let's just do 12 till 12 12 11 10 9 8 7, and we're done. Okay, option value will be Jan 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, Jan this NOV oct SCP T AUG JUL UN MAY APR MAR, and the one that started coronavirus FEB. Actually, it's, I guess, before that, but what do you know? APR MAY. God, this is boring. June, July, August. If you're not following along, please forward it. OCT, NOV, and DEC. Now, the year. Okay. Kill me now. 1995. I'm not gonna do these many. Actually, I guess we can copy it. Where did I think of it before? We have select. Okay. Let's move it down. Okay, we have options. Let's copy this. Copy element. Let's just copy the select and remove class, title, actually remove everything, but and let's see, we have name would be year and ID would be year. Okay, cool. Okay, we can do something like value would be 0 and year, and that should not be selected, right? But we can do here month also, we can do here date also, but let's just not waste time for that. Okay, I'm gonna close it, by the way. Select. Okay, let's close it. Let's close this too, and let's close this too. Okay, next div would be label for for gender. gender. Actually, we have to do different way. Let's move it out of this here too, and let's keep it here, gender, and we'll use label for these. Okay, let's close this, and label female, female, and input type it could be radio. Name would be gender. Value would be female. Let's copy it 2 times. 1 and 2. This would be male. This would be male. And this would be custom. Nice. Actually, let's put it above. It's cool. Now we have a date policy and all. Let's get that in a paragraph. Paragraph ID will be policies. Let's just copy it. And we have 1, 2, and 3 links here. So let's just 2, 3. A href equals pound, and then move to the last. And let's just close it. Cool. Now we can add the sign up form and sign up button, and we are good to go. Before closing the form, input type submit. Name would be, I don't know what should be the name. Submit. Oh, let's remove it. ID would be submit, and actually let's keep it sign up, and value would be sign up. Cool. Now we have another, we'll add that link for create a page at the bottom. Create a page. After closing the form, obviously, href is the pound sign, and for a celebrity and whatnot. Okay, let's add that in a paragraph tag. Let's just wrap it in paragraph tag, and yeah, let's give it an ID of page create page. Cool. Now we have just one section left, that is footer. I'm thinking, should we do this? Actually, if we do this, we'll style this HR and whatnot. Just copy this paragraph, put it off, put it side. Actually, if you want to give a copyright symbol, we can use this ampersand copy semicolon, and it should be give a copyright sign. Pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, let's do that. We are not gonna add this because we are not gonna add it. We can do that with JavaScript, by the way. Let's see. We'll add this paragraph, then we'll add this UK English UK, and we'll not add that. We'll just add HR and I don't know. Should we do this? I don't know. Let's just skip it, man. There are so many links. Let's just skip it. Okay, and actually the video is getting pretty long, so let's do the CSS video tomorrow. Let's style this tomorrow. We have this page with us. Hopefully you have revised your HTML using this. So I'll see you in the next video, that is tomorrow, where we'll style this page and hopefully we'll make it looking as beautiful as this. Okay, there's so many. I don't think it will take much time. We'll use flexbox, we'll use linear gradient, we'll use font sizing, we'll use height and width for this. We'll design this submit button, really beautiful submit button, and that's it. We'll also design the background. Here we'll also add the linear gradient from white to light blue, really light blue. So yeah, if you want to do this, experiment it with yourself obviously, and I'll keep that video, I'll upload that video tomorrow, so please stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll style this Facebook page. Actually, we'll style this Facebook page. So okay, bye for now. Bye. And yes guys, share this video, please share this. Okay, bye.